Hello dear investors in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about SUSHISWAP. Indeed, assuming you put resources into SUSHISWAP worth $10 today, you will have gotten yourself positioned for possibly exceptional yields in the future when the worth of sushi tokens rises. If, for example, SUSHISWAP tokens worth ascends by over 120% in the following a year as estimated by specialized investigators at Crypto Vault, you will have procured a $12 benefit. Furthermore, by putting resources into SUSHISWAP, you are in fact enhancing your venture portfolio and making an extra recurring source of income. What is the right amount to invest in SUSHISWAP, Sushi? There will never be a perfect add up to put resources into SUSHISWAP or essentially some other cryptographic money. There is just as no standard breaking point to putting resources into SUSHISWAP, and you can contribute as little as possible in the defi token. The base venture will, in any case, not entirely set in stone by the base store or exchange limit set by your favored crypto trade. The most extreme venture will, then again, be subject to such factors as your gamble resilience, favored risk methodology, and measure of discretionary cash flow. In any case, crypto specialists suggest that you convert somewhere in the range of 5% and 30% of your general venture portfolio into digital forms of money. Around 5% for the crypto contributing fledglings, and the gamble loath, and around 30% for the more experienced and risk-resistant, long-haul crypto dealers. Crypto examiners like Jordan Cooper of Pace Capital and John Burnett of OmniX Holdings have said that everybody, no matter what their sentiments about blockchain innovation, ought to have 1% of their resources in crypto. The amount could you be worth if you invested in SUSHISWAP, Sushi, in 2020. At the point when SUSHISWAP sent off in September 2020, one sushi token was selling for $1.2. Today, the defi token's worth has shot up by over 299%, in spite of the many obstacles that remained on its way, particularly the initiative quarrels and crypto market slump. Along these lines, assuming that you purchased SUSHISWAP tokens worth $100 following the altcoin sent off, you would be $399 more extravagant today. Might I at any point buy SUSHISWAP, Sushi, with $1? Indeed, it is feasible to purchase sushi tokens with just $1. The crypto market isn't shy of crypto exchanging stages like Binance that will cycle $1 crypto exchanges. In any case, you should set aside a higher installment on the grounds that the majority of these exchanging stages don't uphold $1 stores. At Binance, for example, the base store sum begins from $15. Might I at any point buy SUSHISWAP, Sushi, worth $100? Indeed, basically every crypto exchanging stage that run down sushi tokens will allow you to purchase tokens worth $100. This purchasing system is somewhat direct and begins enrolling a record with a favored exchanging stage, checking your personality, and putting aside the installment, enough to cover the exchange sums and exchanging expenses. Could you at any point lose money on SUSHISWAP, Sushi? Indeed, it is feasible to lose cash while putting resources into SUSHISWAP. The misfortune could be ephemeral whenever occasioned by sushi token cost unpredictability, which suggests that it will be recuperated when the costs rise in the future. It could likewise be long-lasting without any chance of remuneration or recuperation whenever occasioned by hacking, con artists, or the deficiency of secret word and recuperation seed to a crypto wallet. There by the by are a heap of measures that you can make to try not to lose cash on SUSHISWAP. First of all, possibly exchange SUSHISWAP assuming that you are capable and approach exchanging apparatuses. Flush off the make easy money attitude to try not to succumb to con artists, use sound and extraordinary passwords, and put resources into a dependable equipment wallet to abstain from hacking. Will SUSHISWAP, Sushi, make me rich? Indeed, by keeping a general positive upswing, SUSHISWAP has made the majority of its initial financial backers rich, and an examination of its normal future cost presentation shows that it will make its ongoing financial backers extraordinarily rich. From market opinions to specialized examination, essentially every cost investigation metric out there shows that sushi tokens will support. The blend of specialized and crucial examination by crypto specialists at ICO Creed, for example, anticipates that SUSHI's worth should see the value in by as much 3,500% in the following 10 years, which is sufficient to make current sushi financial backers inconceivably rich. The amount would I have if I invested $1,000 in SUSHISWAP, sushi? The response to this question is relative and enormously subject to when you purchased your SUSHISWAP tokens. Accepting that you made a buy in the beginning of the defi token when it was selling for $1.2 in September 2020, you would have $3,990 today. Be that as it may, accepting you were set off by FOMO and purchased during its pinnacle cost in March 2021, when it was selling for $23, you would have lost 57% of this venture to have $207 today. What will SUSHISWAP, sushi, be worth in 2025? The general inclination among crypto specialists and financial backers today is that SUSHISWAP will support its current upswing for the following couple of years. All things considered, we should recognize that different crypto specialists and specialized examiners have changed seas on how high up sushi token costs can reach before 2025, with the greater part putting its worth at somewhere in the range of $40 and $250. Crypto intellectuals at Captain Altcoin keep up with rather moderate perspectives about SUSHISWAP's future cost activity and can see the defi token value ascending to around $37 by December 2025. Notwithstanding, crypto specialists at CoinQuora are stunningly hopeful about SUSHISWAP's future cost execution and are certain that it will end 2025 exchanging above $250. What was the highest value for one SUSHISWAP, sushi? SUSHISWAP set its ongoing all-time exorbitant cost of $23.38 on 19 March 2021, as indicated by information from CoinMarketCap. Is it smart to invest in SUSHISWAP, sushi? Indeed, it is savvy to put resources into SUSHISWAP on the grounds that it has ended up being a solid long-haul speculation. It has not just performed well in that frame of mind by posting a positive ROI surpassing 35%, however has likewise demonstrated its versatility by enduring one of the most unpredictable crypto market slumps. Pushing ahead, most of specialists and financial backers are sure that sushi token costs will bounce back as DeFi's prevalence develops. SushiSwap network carries out updates and goes into additional associations, and as the crypto market recuperates. Might I at any point buy $500 worth of SushiSwap, sushi? Indeed, you can purchase SushiSwap worth $500. To make a buy, in any case, you first need to settle on the best exchanging stage. Today, you can purchase sushi on nearby distributed exchanging programs and applications like Paxful, famous web-based businesses like eToro, and on such worldwide trades as Binance and Coinbase. What number of dollars is 200 SushiSwap, sushi? At the hour of compassing, SushiSwap has a for each symbolic valuation of $4.78, which makes 200 sushi tokens worth $956. Could it be said that one is SushiSwap, sushi, enough to own? No, and understandably. First off, SushiSwap is modest estimated, and its unpretentiously liberal most extreme symbolic stock of 250 million tokens put a cap on how high its cost can reach. Take a gander at it along these lines, dissimilar to bitcoins that are hypothesized to reach $1 million in the following 10 years. None of the crypto experts or cost expectation devices we have counseled shows the chance of SushiSwap cost coming to $1,000 anytime soon. How do I convert SushiSwap, sushi, to dollars? It is straightforward and the specific inverse of purchasing SushiSwap. Begin by signing into the exchanging account where you purchase the tokens or make an alternate record with an alternate trade and confirm your personality. Store the SushiSwap tokens you wish to sell into the trade. Open a sell request, and the trade will sell the altcoin for your benefit and store their dollar comparable in your deal.